Can you see boiling hot water? And I'm lifting this kettle with my bare hands. Want to know more about this? Come on, let's see. Hi friends, we recently bought this Philips 1.5 liter electric kettle HD9378. Firstly, in this video, I'll be showing the unboxing and then go on to explain the product in detail. And finally, I'll share my review. So I'd request you to watch the video till the end. So first let me cover the physical aspects. As you can see, it's got a nice black color and it is quite tall. The height is 23 centimeters. So you can see there is a comfortable handle to lift the kettle and it is almost 1 kg in weight. There is a lid. This golden color is a button for opening the lid. So by pressing this button, you can open the lid and it opens at an angle of 45 degrees and you can further open it to 70 degrees manually and you have to close it gently manually. Now next is the material and build of the kettle. This is a double walled design. The exterior is made of plastic and the interior is made of food grade steel, 304 grade stainless steel. The inside steel and outside plastic is built in such a way that they are not in contact with each other. There is a gap in between which makes it like an insulator, something like we have in a thermos flask. And that is the reason why even if there is boiling water inside, the outside will be cool to touch and it is safe to handle. And this double wall design is a specialty of this kettle. So this is the base of the kettle and this is the base contact point, that is the kettle is placed on this point. And now the inside of the kettle, as you can see there are 3 level markings. Minimum level is 0.5 liter and maximum is 1.5 liter. That means you can fill water anywhere from half liter to 1.5 liters. So now let's see how it works. I'm going to pour 1 liter of water. So I'm connecting the plug. I'll come to the technical specifications after this. Now, so this is the on off button. So as you switch on, you can see the light indicator. So you can hear the sound. Water is boiling. And you have seen the light went off just now and the steam coming out. So the water is heated. It has taken almost 4 to 5 minutes for boiling 1 liter of water. So I can now lift the kettle and this is a spout from which I can pour the water. It's an easy pour spout. You can see the fully boiled water. Now I would like to tell about one more feature. There is a keep warm button. It's written here keep warm. So if you press this button, again you can see the light indicator around. It will maintain the water at 55 degrees for quite a long period of time. And when you don't want it, you can press the button to switch off. So you just saw me pouring the boiling water here. Now let me open the lid. So you can still see the steam coming out. So water is still boiling hot. And when I touch here, I won't say it's very cold, but it's just warm. So it's very safe to touch. And that is because of this double wall design. And last but not the least, the technical specifications. It works on 230 volt AC supply and the power rating is 1300 watts. The wire length is 0.75 meters with a 6 amp 3 pin plug. This kettle comes with a 2-year warranty. So now let me share my thoughts on this kettle. But before that, I would like to tell about my earlier kettles. So my first one was a Kenwood kettle, which Singapore made. I got it as a gift and it worked for almost 8 years. The second one was a butterfly, which hardly worked for a couple of years, and that too with two, three repairs. So that's when I decided to go for a brand and model with better features. And when I was looking for various brands and models, I came across this Philips model, and that is why I decided to go for this. So now over to the review of this product. Yeah, it is pricey at 2500, but with features like the double wall design, which makes it very safe to hold and handle even with boiling water, and this additional feature of the keep warm function, and of course the auto cut off, which almost every kettle has, and the spout, which ensures zero spillage of water, and of course the capacity 1.5 liter. I feel with all these features, I think it is worth it. The price is justified, but I have two issues. One, you can call it a minor one, that is about the cord length. I feel 1 meter would have been adequate, but 0.75 is manageable. But the second one is a bit of a, I feel it's a negative point. That is about the lid, the opening and closing of the lid. So you have this button for opening the lid. You can use the button to open the lid at one position, and you can't press it to close the lid. So the closure is has to be manual, and again, if you have to lift it further, like I told earlier, you have to do it manually. So this manual operation can be detrimental. It can actually reduce the life of the lid. So you have to be very careful while doing so. Even the manual mentions that you have to handle with care. I'm sure they'll not cover this in the warranty, though the warranty for the product is 2 years. So this could have been better off if the button was used both for closing and opening the lid. So that is a negative point. If at all there is any negative, only this one is a negative in this product, I would say. Otherwise, it's a perfect kettle, and I'm very happy with it. Hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts. You can share which model or which brand of kettle. I'm sure every household has an electric kettle at home. You cannot live without this nowadays. It's a compulsory item in the kitchen nowadays. So everyone must be having a kettle. So you share the brand, model, the capacity of kettle which you have got. Even if it's a Philips, which model you have, and what is your experience with it, and how long you have been using. You can share all those things in the comment section. I would love to hear from you all. And till I come back with another interesting video, this is Bona signing off. Thank you.